given. Next is simplify. What is the question? 2 upon 3 into bracket root 2 plus root 6 upon root of 2 plus root 3. Remember, see this root, it is complete over here. Okay, so let's solve. First is what? Rationalize the denominator. We have to always you have to rationalize the denominator. So 2 upon 3 into root 2 plus root 6 upon root of 2 plus root 3 into, how to rationalize? For rationalizing, you use this here. This is known as root 3. This is an irrational number and this is a rational number. Whenever you get a combination like this, use the opposite sign. So root of 2 minus root 3 multiplied numerator and denominator. So what it becomes? 2 upon 3 into root of 2 plus root 6 into this as it is root of 2 minus root 3. Now in denominator, the whole root 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, right? Now this is what? A plus b into a minus b. So in numerator as it is, in denominator it becomes 3 into root of 4 minus 3, right? Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Why 4 minus 3? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That is 2 square minus root 3 square, that is 3. So what it becomes? 2 upon 3 into root, this is 1, root 2 common from here, root 2 into 1 minus root 3, right? For this into root of 2 into 1 minus root 3 by 2. Now here it should be plus, it should actually. See, this final answer you will always have to adjust as per what is given in the options. If in the option only this much is given, then keep it as it is. If this is given, solve this. If something else is given, see here it can be root 2 and root 2 over here. So root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? So 2 into 2 is 4. So it becomes 4 upon 3 into 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 by 2, right? So this can also be the answer. Basically 4 upon 3 into 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 by 2. This can also be one of the answers. Check what is given in the options and do it accordingly. Download Yoga Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30.